Today's video is regarding HP Officejet Pro 8028 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, open the front door from here, also lift the ink cartridge chamber door like this. So there is a lock here, press it and take the ink cartridge out. So it's very easy. And to install them, simply match the color and the alphabet as you can see on the top here. Place it in the position, press it down. The next thing is to close the ink cartridge chamber door. So simply press it down and it will close itself. Also close the front door. Go to the display panel to see if there is any update. In case any error, it will show up here. Otherwise you will see the normal screen within few seconds. That means your printer is ready for the printing and the installation is done properly. Thanks for watching.